Now you from the previous video clip that I asked you to write the new rectangle class. So this time I will create a rectangle class here, and of course it will extend the um, the shape one. So Eclipse will warn you that you have one unimplemented method, and before you can do it, you have to provide the rectangle. So you must have the width and the height, and public double public rectangle, and you must get two parameters, double width and double height, and this dot width is width and this dot height is height. Okay, so once you finish it, you can add the new. For example, I can add two shapes, rectangle, and I add another one that is a circle of radius 1, and run it. So we can see that it works now. Okay, as a warning, I'll check here. Okay. Try with side and circle. Okay, I'll move it here. Okay. Width and height. Oh, I forgot that. Return width times height. Okay, and now your shape demo now it works. And guys, I'll show you another one. I will this is an option. I will show you the inner class idea that you can put all class together. I have a inner class demo here. Okay. In this inner class demo, you can provide all classes. You can write all classes in the same file. I will use it like this: public abstract class shape and public abstract and double get area here, and I will now we can create a public class circle that extends the shape one. Okay, and add an unimplement method. Provide a private double radius here, and then create a constructor of the circle, double radius. Okay, so this dot radius is radius, and get area is return mat dot pi times radius. Okay, that's all. And once you finish it, you can use the same fashion. I will put the square here and rectangle one. Okay, now I put them all together in one file. Okay, so you have the shape one, you have the square, you have the circle, you have rectangle, and now you have I'll provide a main class. Public static void main and string give me this. But this time if you want to use the class, you have to provide something a little bit complicated. Okay, so I will show you that. Okay, we have a shape. S is new shape 3, for example, like this. And for example, you can have a square one. Square one S1 is new square 4.0, and because you must have your own object now, so it will ask you to write something that is a little bit different. That is, you must use the inner class demo dot new here, and but you have to create the actual object first. So I will create the new the inner class demo. C is new inner class demo, and then I will use c.new square. This is the way that you can use the inner class. The actual object must be created by use the object of this class dot new. Okay, so you can create in the same way as the previous one. S1 is c.new circle and rectangle 1.0, and then or use the loop for in I is 0, I less than s dot length, and I plus plus system dot out dot print line si dot get area. Okay, that's all, and now you can run it. And oh, sorry, I have one error here. I don't know where. Okay, a moment. Oh, one typo. Okay, now you can see that we've already done with something like create a new object here using the inner class. Okay, so guys, I hope that you can see the idea of how can we write several classes, but this is an option for the ICE student because you may want to use it later. Okay, guys, in the next video clip, I'll show you. We go back to the, the the normal way in the class like this. Okay, I'll show you some concept of the public, of the private, and the protected. Okay, see you in the next video clip.